Hello everyone, Tom from KJP with a quick look at project boards. Now specifically, Wenge project boards. So our project boards will be sent to you either 1 inch thick or 2 inches thick. With a 2 inch thick board, when you use your machinery to joint it, or of course hand tools, you can expect to get a minimum of 1.75 inches in thickness. With our 1 inch boards, you can expect to get a 3/4 inch dressed board that will be ready for your next project. So a project board is not dressed. We cannot guarantee that it will be totally flat and square. That's what the machinery of woodworking is for, is to take a project board and turn it into a dressed board. Wenge is a lovely choice if you're looking for a super dark wood for your next project. So thank you very much for watching, and please enjoy your woodworking.